Tonight I'm going to make some goldenrod tincture. What we're going to do is use the flowers from last year that I have dried, and you just take the Everclear or brandy or whatever alcohol that you want to use, and you're going to fill it up until it's over the flower. Yep, spilled that some, hey. You're going to put this in a cool spot and let it set for 3 weeks out of the sun. This is a great anti-inflammatory, and it helps reduce blood pressure. It's really good for your skin. There's just a lot of great properties to this plant, goldenrod.